A career that is part craftsmanship and part artistry, that involves extensive practice and acquired skill. Students will learn how to restore vehicles using the latest equipment and technology. As a member of a team, students will repair late model and classic vehicles from start to finish in a state-of-the-art repair facility, featuring a downdraft spray bake booth. They'll repair frames and unibody vehicles, repair auto plastics and fiberglass, install glass, and learn custom painting and refinishing techniques. Students will be prepared for the growing job market in the collision repair industry. For more information on this and 20+ other CV-TEC career and technical education programs, please contact CV-TEC, Champlain Valley Educational Services, 1585 Military Turnpike, Plattsburgh, New York, 12901, 518-561-0100, www.cves.org/CVTech, Facebook, fb.me/cvtech.cves.